Okay, students, if you have got to this video, that means that you are at the enrichment part of the lesson, so congratulations. For this part, I want us to revisit the Gettysburg Address and keep in mind that this was given in 1863 by President Lincoln. He was outdoors where almost 7,000 people were just killed 5 months earlier. And audio recordings didn't exist at this time. So we have to imagine what his tone and what his pace would have been like if he would have read the speech. So the first thing you're going to do is scroll down and look at this picture of Lincoln. And then you're going to reread the speech that Lincoln delivered to the crowd at Gettysburg. So pause the video now and read the speech. Okay, now you can go back into your Gettysburg Address and highlight 2 or 3 places in the text Lincoln would have emphasized. So pause the video and highlight 2 or 3 places in the text Lincoln would have emphasized. Now you're going to describe what you think Lincoln's speech sounded like. Think about his tone and voice and pace. Why do you think he sounded this way? Think about, do you think he was giving it fast? Do you think he was giving it slow? Do you think his tone was very serious? What do you think he was emphasizing? Explain that in at least 3 sentences. Pause the video now and write or type your answer. All right, now you're moving into number 2 down here. Answer these poll questions. What do you think Lincoln's tone was? Deep and booming, soft and smooth, sharp and piercing? And poll question 2, what do you think Lincoln's pace was? Slow, medium, or quick? So now you're going to go into my webpage and you're going to go to RCS6 Enrichment. And you're going to click on this speech website, and it's going to take you to this page. And on this page, you have 6 choices of hearing someone read Lincoln's speech in a different way. So like we have Johnny Cash as an example, or Colin Powell, okay? You might be familiar with those names. You may not. It's okay if you're not. You're going to listen to them read the speech. You get to pick 3 of these. You're going to listen to them read the speech, and then you're going to go into Amplify and answer these questions. Tell me the reader's name. So like if you pick Johnny Cash, you'll type in Johnny Cash. And then write in words that the reader emphasized. And then explain what was the reader's tone of voice. What was the reader's pace? Then you're going to go into number 2. And you're going to pick a different speech to listen to. And you're going to answer those same questions. And then you're going to go into number 3 and answer those same questions. So pause the video now and complete card number 3. Now that you've got all 3 speeches complete, I want you to get out a sheet of paper and I want you to write down, if you were giving this speech, what are 3 words that you would emphasize? So pause the video now, get out a sheet of paper, and write down the 3 words you would emphasize. Now I want you to explain, what would your tone of voice be? Would you be deep and booming, soft and smooth, sharp and piercing? And explain why you would choose that. You need to do that in 2 sentences. Pause the video now and do that. Then I want you to explain what pace you would use. Would you go slow, medium, and quick? Explain in 1 sentence which one you would use and why. Pause the video now and do that. Okay, you have now analyzed the tone and speed and pacing of the Gettysburg Address. Congratulations, you can move on to the next step.